Now is the season for melons to hit the market in large quantities. Sweet and juicy melons are loved by all ages. But many friends go to the vegetable market supermarket to buy melons. It's all about feeling. Go home and cut it. It's not light or sweet. It's just stiff hairwood. Today I will share with you the old fruit farmer private melon selection tips. Simple and easy to remember. Make sure the melons you pick out are sweet and delicious, full of juice. Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's follow the video and watch it together. The first point is to look at the umbilical cord at the bottom of the melon. The intelligent person will see it early on. Have you found that some melons are basically flat pulp? Some things bulge out like this. The higher the maturity, melons with enough sugar. The umbilical cord will show a wide and obvious circle. And it bulges outward as a whole. The more prominent this feature is, it means that the melon grows long enough on the vine. The sweeter and juicier it is. If the umbilical circle is small and tight, it's sunken in, the bulge is not obvious. Representative melons and fruits are picked in advance. Not mature enough. The pulp is light and dehydrated. It is not recommended to buy such melons. The second point is to see the freshness of melon vines. Pick melons and pick watermelons. And it's the same story. Melons and vines can directly see the length of time the melons and fruits are picked and stored. Like this melon vine, emerald green and hydrated, with fresh toughness. Explain that this melon is close, just picked from the ground a day or two. Freshness full. If the melon vine has wilted, dry and black, it's easy to break when pinched. That is, it was taken off and stored for several days. The pulp continues to lose water. The taste is dry and not hydrated. Freshness is greatly reduced. This is not recommended. Another is that the melon vine directly falls off completely. Only smooth melon handles are left. Most of them have been left for a long time, or over mature. The pulp is easy to hollow, flavor fade. Try not to choose when encountering this. The third point is to look at the color of the melon skin. When selecting ordinary thin-skinned melons, we will give priority to the turquoise fruit. Which is this turquoise base color? It's evenly yellowed inside. The maturity of this melon is just right. Sugar precipitation is sufficient, sweetest. And the whole body is white. Or the whole piece is turquoise. Melon with no traces of yellowing at all. Maturity is poor. Light pulp aroma, insufficient sweetness, tastes a lot worse. Fourth, smell it. No need to cut. Just get close to the melon umbilical cord and smell it. Natural ripe melon. The bottom will spread out rich. Soft natural fruity sweetness. The mellower the fragrance, the sweeter it is. If you get close, it smells very weak. Even the faint smell of grass. If there is no sweet and fruity aroma at all, it means that this melon is still relatively raw. It's hard to sweeten even if you leave it for a few days. It is recommended not to buy it. The fifth point is to pinch the melon body. Try flexibility. Gently press the pulp around the umbilical button of the melon with your fingers. This is the most intuitive way to distinguish between raw and cooked. If you press it down, you can feel a soft rebound. Moderately soft and hard, elastic, then it's a melon with just the right ripeness. The pulp is crisp and sweet. If you press it hard, no rebound at all, then this melon must be raw melon. The pulp is hard and not sweet. If you press it lightly, it will go offline. Soft feel, no elasticity. It means the melon is overripe. The internal pulp is easy to ferment and sour. Spoils quickly. If it is too hard or too soft, it is a melon of poor quality. Additional supplement. 2 melons of the same size. You can weigh it in your hand. Moderate feel, lighter maturity is better. Heavy in the hand. The drop feels very strong, mostly raw melon, less water polysaccharide. Here are 5 practical tips for selecting melons. Did everyone learn? Don't try your luck next time you buy a melon. Combine these points for comprehensive selection. Easily avoid raw melon, light melon. This issue of dry goods is practical. Remember to like the collection. Forward it to the family member responsible for shopping at home. I am Yao Yao. See you next time.